Working with LG was impressive.
Installation and operation of the system worked out seamlessly.
Para soporte, entrenamiento, supervisión de las instalaciones.
Working with LG was impressive. The kit was delivered on time and their support was always there.
El equipo de soporte técnico de LG del centro regional siempre estuvo presente cuando los necesitamos para soporte, entrenamiento, supervisión de las instalaciones y puesta en marcha de los sistemas.
Et aussi leur très bon service après-vente avec des ingénieurs confirmés qui ont facilité la prise de décision.
The installation and operation of the system worked out seamlessly.
Ultimately, when things came along near the completion of the project, when we were commissioning the building, LG experts were again here from Korea and Toronto supporting us in the building commissioning, and that worked very well for us.